Welcome back to the deep dive. If you've been following along, you know startup life often starts with, well, let's call it managed chaos. We've already dug into building those core processes, what they are, how to find them, map them out, even improve them continuously. Our whole idea has been moving fast, yes, but building real, lasting value, not just, breaking things randomly. So we've got this foundation. Now what? How do we actually turbocharge these efforts? Especially when you're growing fast, everything's dynamic. That's what we're tackling today. We're diving deep into AI and automation, using them as smart tools for efficiency in your startup's processes, really enabling you to scale up significantly. Think of this as your primer on something that sounds maybe a bit intimidating, but it's incredibly powerful for moving faster and building something solid.
Absolutely. And it connects directly back to that continuous improvement idea we talked about. AI and automation, they're not always about these huge, scary overhauls. Often, they're about enabling lots of smaller, iterative improvements. And those really add up. The promise is pretty clear: boosting efficiency, accuracy, speed. But, and this is key, without losing that human touch where it really counts. It's about working smarter.
Okay, let's unpack that because AI and automation, it sounds like one big thing, but it's really not, is it?
Yeah.
For you, the listener, trying to navigate this as a startup, what does this automation spectrum actually look like? What are the different sort of levels here?
That's a great starting point. Because it is a spectrum, understanding the levels helps you figure out where to even begin. We generally see four key levels that are super relevant for startups. Each one kind of builds on the last in terms of sophistication. So, level one, basic process automation. You might hear it called RPA, robotic process automation. The key thing here, it's not about super complex AI. It's about finding those repetitive, honestly kind of low-value tasks that just drain time, founder time, team time.
Right. The things you do over and over again.
Exactly. Rule-based, high-volume stuff usually involves structured data, not much decision-making needed. So for a startup, maybe automated email responses, basic data entry, generating standard documents, simple reports, even just scheduling backups.
Okay, practical stuff. How do you actually do that? Do you need engineers?
Not necessarily, especially at this level. You've got no-code or low-code platforms now, drag and drop, or sometimes it's just built-in features and software you already use. Simple scripts, maybe. It's about finding those quick wins, easy lifts.
Okay, that makes sense. Offload the mundane. But I can hear people thinking, where do I find the time or budget for even that initial step?
Yeah.
Is there a common trap people fall into?
Yeah, definitely. People get intimidated, think they need a specialist right away. But often, automating that first annoying task actually creates the time it costs. The pitfall is usually trying to automate something too big or critically, something you haven't clearly defined yet.
Ah, the process first idea again.
Exactly. Start with that one thing that makes you sigh every single day. Automate